sukatin mo?
I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath
Pahamot
my
naman tayo dun.
feet. Sat by the river and it made me
Yan, tuloy
complete.
natin sa Pinoy.
Oh, simple thing,
Tingin nga.
where have you gone? I'm getting
ganda ah.
old and I need something to rely on. So tell me where.
Ayan guys, ginawa na niya. Babayaran na namin guys. Wow, sana all. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Let's go.